Yung pagising mo, ganito agad yung bubungad sa'yo. Nature. Time check, 6 a.m. Hello again, welcome to Team Red Biyaheng Davao Tour. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa day 2. Yan, kagising lang namin. Yun, sinulit namin yung pagstay namin dito sa Katiyan. At yun nga, naligo kami ulit at the very morning while waiting sa breakfast namin. Then picture then after we ate our breakfast. At this time, driving na kami palabas papuntang National Highway, pero may madadaanan pang isang magandang lugar. Yeah, I'll show you later, but now just enjoy the scenic view. Actually, kahapon while papunta pa kami sa Katihan Eco Park, marami kaming nadadaanan na under construction ng mga building, resorts, and other more attractions. Here is our first stopover of the day, the Canayan View Deck. Sobrang ganda dito. By the way guys, ang entrance dito sa Canayan View Deck is only 50 pesos.
Sayang kayo.
Dalawang level yung view deck nila. So this is the first one. After namin dito, pumunta agad kami sa second view deck. Ito mas maganda dito kasi kita mo lahat. This one is on the books, so we proceed again sa biyahe namin for our next destination. Our next stop is Greek Hills. Aside from the beautiful attractions here sa Greek Hills, nag-offer din sila ng mga rooms if you want to stay overnight. After dito sa Greek Hills, we still have 2 stops before we reach Davao City. If you're traveling with your private car, is a good opportunity na makadaan kayo dito sa view deck na to. Located at the end of the zigzag road at the viewpoint. Free naman dito, free. After the viewpoint, our next destination is Cloud Maru. If you're a family of looking for adventures, maganda tong place na to kasi pwede kang magkayak, may mountain climbing din, tsaka may mga playgrounds for the kids. And also yung pinaka main attraction nila is yung mga dinosaurs. kung nakaabot ka sa video na to, then thanks for watching, and here's our last stop before we arrive at Davao City, and see you on our day 3 trip.